CS online training. I am by name Adebayo Oluwaseun. So I will be taking you briefly on understanding your Canvas interface and the features. So we have different kind of interface on Canvas application. So I will be explaining briefly um, on this. So before we dive into the features, I want you to know that when you're talking about Canvas application, it has interface, as you can see from your screen, very friendly that easily you can navigate through those interface. So the first thing we are going to be talking about on this training is the dashboard. So after logging into your Canvas application, either you are using um, your mobile app or you are using a computer system, the pattern is similar, almost the same. So the dashboard, immediately you log in into your Canvas application, where you will get to is what is referred to as what? Your dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So when we get to this dashboard, from here we can navigate through out every part of um, Canvas application. So that is our dashboard. So after logging into your Canvas, you will land on a dashboard. Here you can find various options to start a design, access your um, previously created design, and browse through templates and design category. And that is all what we are seeing here. So from here, if you see recent design, that means the recent work I have done. Then if you scroll down, it says Instagram post. These are templates that we can actually work with, and that is why it is called dashboard. So from the dashboard, you can navigate through every aspect of your Canvas app. And at the top, you will see search your content on Canvas. And if you look at this top right and top left, you will see here template project. You can see different options that you can easily navigate through. And if you look at the down part and the foot part, the footer, you see home project, the plus sign, then template, then Canvas Pro. So another aspect we'll be talking about is design editor. Is that when you start a new design or open an existing one, you'll be taken to the design editor. And this is where you can customize and create your design. The design editor consists of the following. So let me just introduce us to the design editor. For you to go to the design editor, number one, there are two ways or many ways. So the easiest way, you can use the plus sign. Here, you can see the plus sign at the bottom. All these are design editor. From here, you can design the size of your the size of what you want to design, either logo or graphics. So from here, you can see suggested size of designs, suggested sizes. So here you can, if it is doc, if it is mobile video, if it is your story you want to design, if it's photo collect, YouTube banner, these are templates of what you might likely want to design. And if it is logo, you can see it's actually here. So if I should select any of these, let's say for instance, let's say YouTube thumbnails. So this is our design editor. This part is part of the design. You can see a page pop up. So I'm going to close that page because I'm still going to be explaining it one after the other. So this is a page that pop up. That's if you want to work with any template, but we're not working with any template now. We're still coming here to explain this. So I'm just going to back it. Then this is our editor. So from the design editor, you can see we have it consists of the following. Number one, we have canvas. Then number two, we have sidebar. Another the sidebar, we have the template, we have the elements, we have text, we have upload, we have the background. Then also we also have another one which is top toolbar. Then under the top toolbar, there are also some other elements that you can actually design, that you can actually work with. Then we also have design elements, we have text editing, we have the upload, we have the collaboration, etc. So let's quickly just run through some of these. Something we will start with Canva. So this is our Canva. This whiteboard, this white empty space is our Canva, and that is where, well, anything you are designing will appear on this here. You can see this one that I'm moving up and down, left and right, is what is called what? Canva. Then Another one that we talk about is the template. So if you want to, the template that we back the other time, if you want to go back to the template, you click on this plus sign at the left corner. When you click, then you will see template that you can work with. And if you are not okay with that template, you can search here from the search bar to search for the template of your choice. So you can search for the template of your choice. So let's back it. There are a lot of templates you can work with. Some are pro. If you can upgrade your app so that you can use the pro version of Canva, so that your design can be unlimited. So another one we want to talk about is element. So let me show you. Element is just beside the template. If you look here, look at it. These are templates. If you look down, you will see element. So from this element, you can choose line shapes and some graphics that will be needed in your design. Look at it. If you scroll down, all these are elements, are lines, are graphics, and shapes that can be used when you are designing. So for the element, you see, access an extensive library of shapes, icon, illustration, sticker, and other design elements that can be drag and drop on your Canva. This is our Canva, like I've explained earlier. So let me just choose one of these. If I should tap on any of these, can you see it has appeared on my Canva? So anything I want to design now, I can start working with it. I imported it from the element to here. Then another thing, let's go back to here. Another area we can see here, if you look at the gallery part, from the gallery we see image. Let's take it to image, and we see video. So from your image, you can import any image you want to use in your design, either your graphics or any other design you want to work with. Any image or videos you have on your phone or system that you want to use in your design, from the gallery, you can actually import it from there. So another thing we are going to talk about is text, the text. So let's text upload, then the background. So let me just explain all those briefly. Then if you scroll here, you see upload. So if you want to upload anything from your phone, you can also upload it from here. Also gallery. Then here text. If you want to add any text, let me just show us briefly. If you want to add text, headline. This is what you use. Add a headline. And if it is sub headline, this is what you use. If it's ordinary text, you can just say add a little text. You can just click and type in your text. Then if you want to use some of these templates for your design or something you are doing, you can see text template that you can use here. Then another thing that we have here is draw. You can see the tools you can use if you want to have a kind of a drawing on your design. You can something that you can actually use. Then project. This project, they are the work that I have done. On something. Look at some of it here. Then app. This app is just a library of other applications that you can tap in from, that you can import into your design. You can see from here under this app, we see the YouTube logo, the Google logo, and some other images from other apps that might be needed on your design. Okay, let's say for instance you are designing anything that has to do with your YouTube. You don't have to go and download templates of YouTube on Google. You can just come here and use what? You can just click on it and get what you want to get from the YouTube, something you want to work with. You can see it has appeared here. The YouTube something that appeared here. So from here, you can tap any resources you want to make use of from here. So any app you want to get something from, you can actually come here. You don't have to go to Google. You don't have to go to any something to you. You can just access those apps from this option. So another thing we will be talking about is the top toolbar. The top toolbar, that's the top. So the top toolbar provides various tools to customize and manipulate your design. Some of them, if you want to undo and redo, arrange, align, crop, transparent, etc. So let's go back and explore let's go back to the drawing board. So if you look at the top corner here, at the top, you will see this symbol that look off. If you click on it, you can actually undo and redo what you are working. If you make any mistake, you can click on this top bar to make adjustment. Then if you look at auto displays, this three dotted line,
you can actually make some corrections, import files, create a new design, then resize. You can see view settings. If you want to save, if you want to make copy, if you want to share, all these things are made available at our top bar. Then look at here, this arrow sign. If you click on it, you can actually save your design. The same thing is also, you can see it's already saving. So the same thing is also applicable here. You can save your design here. So another thing we'll talk about, the design element. I think we've talked about it. Then the text editing, the text, the upload, collaboration. So another thing I want to briefly talk about on this Canvas intro app is this. So let me import a text. Let me import a text from here. So let me go to text tool. Let me just type in Digitest. So I have typed in Digitex. If you look at the down part here, you can see the text editing tools has appeared here. Can you see? So if I want to work on the tools and edit it now, I can edit and manipulate the text here. If you want to change the font, you can change text style. You can see different options. Then if there's any image like this thing we've uploaded, the icon we've uploaded, the okay, let me move it so that you know the one I'm talking about. This icon we've uploaded, you can see another options has appeared below. Immediately you click on those objects, what you use to edit it will be highlighted below. Then from there you can start editing, start manipulating to your design taste. And also, if you look here, he said, if you look at this option, he said background remover. So if you are working on anything and you want to remove background, you can actually come here and remove the background, but you need a pro version of Canva app to make use of that features on your canvas. So whatsoever thing you might be designing, the moment you click on it on your Canva, the options to edit it will appear below. So, and the same thing is also applicable when you are working on a template. So let's go to our home page. If you are working on the template, those are the things, the resources you are going to be using to make your to edit anything you want to edit on your Canva application. So I'm going to select just